Icons are the best way to distinguish between file types. In macOS Ventura, you can choose a custom icon for a file or folder using saved images, other app or file icons, or images from the internet. See how to replace icons using existing icons, as well as images from other sources via the Get Info window. I've the Finder window open in the Applications folder. I want to replace a folder icon with one of these app icons. To do this, I need to open the Get Info windows for the folder and the app. Right-click on the folder and select the option Get Info to open the Info window. And I'll also open the Info window for the Notes app by again right-clicking and selecting Get Info. Go to the top left of the Notes Info window and select its icon. To copy it to the clipboard, I'll use the shortcut Command and the letter C. Navigate to the Folder Info window and click its icon. Then use the shortcut Command and the letter V to paste. The folder now has the same icon as the Notes app. I'll quickly close both info windows. You can also customize a file icon using a saved image. From the Finder window, I'll go to the Documents folder and double-click on an image file to open it in the Preview app. When the Preview app opens, go to the menu bar, open the Edit menu, and select the option Copy. So this image is now copied to the clipboard. I'll return to the Finder window, right-click on a file and select Get Info. At the top left of the window, click the file icon and use the shortcut Command and V to paste our saved image. And this file's icon is now my saved image. I'll close the Info and Preview windows. You can also customize a file icon using an image from the internet. From the dock, I'll open the Safari app window. In the search bar, I'll type in the search term Homotic logo. Press the Enter key to search. Now the Google results page has opened, I'm going to click on Images. Scroll down the results page, and when I find the image, right-click on it and select Copy Image. I'll minimize the Safari window. Then right-click on the file in the Finder window and select Get Info. Click on the file icon at the top of the Info window and use the keyboard shortcut Command V to paste. And now the image that I copied from the web is the logo for the file. If you want to reset custom icons, you can do so in different ways. If you've just performed the action as I have, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command and the letter Z to undo, and the original icon will reappear. I'll close the Get Info window for that file. If I go to the folder with the app icon I changed earlier, click on it to select it, and then use the keyboard shortcut Command I to open the Info window, I can then click on the folder icon and use the keyboard shortcut Command X, and this will reset the icon to its default option. This has been an overview on replacing document icons in macOS Ventura.